Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Aniket. In today's video, I'll show you how to download AutoCAD 2026 for free student version. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and set bell icon to all. Let's start with our video. First, open your browser and go to Autodesk official website. Search on Google AutoCAD 2026 student version and open the desktop education page. Now click on sign in. If you already have an Autodesk account, just log in. If not, click create account and sign up using your college email ID. Enter here your mail ID and click on the checkbox and click on next button. Then the code is sent your email. Check the code and enter your code here. Then click on next button. Enter your first name here, last name and create a password and check this box and click on the create account. After that your successfully account is created. It will be a redirect on page with the login. After the login, scroll down and click on this select button. Here select the student and click on the select button. Now scroll down and select here your education role. Enter your birth date here and click on continue button. Scroll down and add here your educational information. Enter your address here, city, state, postal code. Then select your institution type is university and post secondary. Enter your institution name, college website link and then your graduation date. Check on this box and select on the continue. After give the confirmation, select on continue. Select your account here, then continue. It will be verified. Once verified, you can receive the email. Check the email and click on the get products. After scroll down and select here AutoCAD. Then click on select. Then click on the submit. Then click on access products. After this screen is appear, then click on install button and accept this. It will be download. After the file download, right click on the file and select run as administrator and select the yes. After it will be preparing for the installation. Wait for some minutes. After that it will be preparing for the installation and it will be start the installing Autodesk in your system. Click on next and click on the install button. It will be start installing AutoCAD 2026 in your system. Wait for some time. It will be installed. After the installation process is completed successfully, then launch the AutoCAD and draw or design what you want. Thank you for watching this video.